Assembly improvements. In ZW3D 2020, the assembly module has been markedly upgraded. First, the new option, Hide Constraint Status, has been added to the right-click menu of the assembly tree, and you can hide the status of constraints with this new option. Now, check Constraint Status. In ZW3D 2019, the fully constrained components with a range of rotation angle will be shown as underdefined, but now they are identified as well-defined. This will make it more reasonable to define the constraint status. A new option, Fixed Rotation Degree, is added to the concentric constraint. So that the two concentric entities can be in the same status with fewer constraints. Also, ZW3D 2020 has a more advanced definition of over-constrained status. If a redundant constraint is added, the main conflicting constraints will be marked in red, while the minor conflicting constraints will be marked in magenta. In this way, you can find the main conflicting constraints easily and quickly. Last point, if a component is moved across levels, its related constraints can be retained in the 2020 version. In previous versions, its related constraints will be removed. These improvements will deliver a more reasonable assembly design process, and thus increase your design efficiency.